everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a super realistic UGC image for your product, and we will do it using Google Gemini, totally free and easy to follow. And then this image will be our first frame before we turn into a full UGC video in part 2. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. If you haven't logged in yet, just log in using your Google account, and once you're in, just tap on create image, this one, to activate the nano banana like this. This feature is image generator that we will use in this tutorial. And then next, just upload your product photo. If you already have a model photo, you can upload that too, but if you don't, no worries, you can simply describe what kind of model that you want for your product promotions. Next, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your product photo. And then in here, I will just use product photo. So I will just type my prompt like this. And then in this tutorial, I will make this picture into a portrait ratio. And then since the Nano Banana can generate with the clear ratio, I will just upload blank image as the reference for the final ratio. Like this, I will upload black background like this that has portrait ratio, and then I will just type a prompt like this. Use the black image as the final ratio like this, and then just tap on generate. Like this. And then now you have a beautiful realistic UGC styles image that ready to use in your content. Just take a look, it looks just like a real promotional shot, right? So that's how you can create your UGC image using Gemini. And then in the next part, we will turn this image into a UGC style video using VO 3.1 on Google Flow. So thanks for watching and see you in the next part.